Okay guys, going out for round 2. It's Monday. We did the walk run earlier and now I'm going to go over to the gym, and I'm keeping it simple, but I have a plan. I'm going to do like probably 5 different exercises. Should be there about 45 minutes and that's it. I'm out of there. All right guys, we'll see you later. I'll show you the different exercises I'm doing today. Okay, for the warm-up, I did reverse dead mill walking. Great for your knees. If you have knee problems, reverse walking really helps. You can reverse the pain in those knees. So I did that for 5 minutes to get the body loosened up, get warmed up. The next exercise, bent leg calf raises. I did 60 reps with 40-pound weight there on each side, total of 120. And great for the lower leg, the calf, the ankle strength, foot strength. Okay, here VMO squats targets that long muscle in the quad, the vastus medialis. My heels are raised so I can get a deeper squat. I'm a work in progress. I'm trying to keep my back in good position. That 10-pound weight helps me keep my balance. So I did 100 VMO squats, 100 reps with that 10-pound weight. Here, I'm doing quadratus laborum side raises. Got a 10-pound weight. That's a muscle inside the back area that really can stabilize you. And it's a muscle that's not worked very often. Very good one to do to keep your back in good shape. On these I did 45 reps with that 10-pound weight. And I finished up with a pigeon stretch, 2 minutes on each side. Stretching is something I haven't done most of my life. So this is another work in progress. But you know, I'm making progress, which is very happifying. Let me put it that way. It feels good to be loosening up a little bit more. And at 73, that's a good thing. So that's basically it. You know, 5 exercises. I was there for about 45 minutes. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Remember, the key is keep it consistent, have a plan, 4 or 5 exercises, 45 minutes, 20 minutes even, to an hour and a half, and you're going to really, it's like money in the bank. It's like money in the bank when you're doing those exercises on a regular basis. All the best, guys, and fruit up, baby.